here buying sandpaper. About to start a new project for Jose's car. Sandpaper. So we got the sandpaper. We got 600, 800, and 1500, and we already have, or he has, where is it at? And then he's got 220 and 400 from when we were doing his wing. So we got all this. Now we're stuck here because his car don't want to turn on with that push button. So he's gotta go open the hood. He's gotta open the hood now. Nothing. She's gonna have to turn it on by touching some wires by the starter or something. Not sure it's at neutral so he doesn't kill himself. There you go. Now let's go to my house and take off the wheels and start sanding. We're here now. Just taking off the wheels. We have it on jacks. Just took off one wheel. We're gonna get ready to sand it. We're gonna go take it to my backyard. Change your plans. Got nachos.
Hey, good.
So instead of sandpaper, we got a goof off. We spray this wheel, see what it does. Let's see if it's doing it. Yup, it looks like it's doing some. Oh yeah, dude. Oh man, thing's already off pretty much. Look at that. With the goof off, compared to that, this was only what, 5 minutes? Alright, so we waited a while. Now he's gonna spray them down with the hose. See what happens. See what it does. Damn! That's the color we're kind of going for. That's the difference of the two that we've done so far. And we're also gonna go get some taillights unexpectedly. We found some on OfferUp, some different types of taillights that you'll see right now, because we hit up someone and we're probably gonna go pick them up right now, even though we just hit them up like 5 minutes ago. A quick buy. Look at that. We're gonna sand them down and everything. Good thing my cousin came to tell us to just get a goof off. We would have been still sanding over there right now. Way nicer compared to black. Like you can't even see like no details or anything, you know. And the paint is horrible too on these. Like they did a pretty bad job. Whoever had these last. This one doesn't even look that bad either. The front ones were worse. But look at that. Damn. We're putting them on. Yeah, make sure to tighten them good. We're gonna just move the car real quick because I'm gonna take out my TSX because we're gonna go buy the clear tails. It's like 25 minutes away. All right, so we just met up at a mobile, picked them up right here. Only thing is there's a crack on this one. It's not that bad though. Right here. But since they're clear, you could barely even see it. And it seems like it's sealed. I don't think it'll like leak. But well, time to go back home and install these and finish off the front wheels. Yep. Alright, since this was a quick buy, since we didn't really look into it, now we're noticing that it's cracked right here. Like it's missing this piece right here. So we'll probably fill it in maybe with Bondo or something. And the studs, the two studs that I go right here, which are these two, they're broken on this one, and this one has that one broken and that one. It's not that bad though. Only part is this, but like I said, it could just be fixed, bonded or something. Not too bad. So, and it's not that noticeable, so let's just wait and see. here it is, 1-in-1. It's pretty sick. Got one more to do and we're done for today, and then continue tomorrow. So is the lights on, both of them with the lights on. Since he has regular bulbs for the red lights, that's how the red comes out, but that's why they're yellow, because they're meant for that one. So now he's got to get some LEDs, probably some blinking brake lights like mine. So here it is, the final product. We'll get a little better view tomorrow. I'm gonna end off the video right here for today and just pick it up tomorrow again once there's light to finish off the wheels, and so we can see these lights better. Alright, so next day, and then we ran out of the goof off on the front two wheels and we're still not done, just need a little spots. Today we're using aircraft with brushes. We'll see if it works, because it doesn't really look like it's been raising the paint that much from what I've seen before. So we're just gonna spray it down and see if it does anything. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go turn it. But from seeing that, I don't even think it's gonna take off the paint. Doesn't look like it. Failed. That one's gonna take some off because I used the remaining of the goof off in the center right there. That's why that's taking off. But the rest doesn't seem like it's working. Alright, so we went. That thing didn't work for us, surprisingly. That thing is pretty good. So we went back to the store and got the spray can version. We went to a different store because we're to Pep Boys, they didn't have it. We got the spray can version. Just cleaning that one up for any dirt or whatever. I just sprayed this one. This is the aircraft spray, and it looks like it's working. This one's gonna work good. We went to my friend down the street. He has an Integra and he had a power washer, so we tried power washing it with that. When that was on, it didn't do much, so but he had to go do something. So if we had the power washer right now, his power washer, we would have been done with this, but we'll just use mine. Mine should be good enough for this. So we're gonna wait on that one, then just spray this one, and then we'll see after. All right, so it got dark really quick, but we got it on. We got them on, and this is how it looks. Not perfect yet. We're gonna have to continue another day just for little spots, but we're hungry. We're gonna go eat. Gotta go do that. So I was looking. It's the front. The rears came out cleaner. They look more silver, in my opinion. I don't know if it's just me. We gotta lower the rear a little bit later on, and we were adjusting the camera because it went positive for some reason. The camera wasn't they weren't tight, so we had to tighten them and go to a little bit negative. So, but yeah, this is the look. New lights, new wheel color, I guess. Taking off the color. That's how it looks. So we're gonna end off the video. Later.